What is going on, guys? So in today's video we are doing another modification or customization. um, I have right here some uh, black vinyl that's going to be covered, or that's going to be covering the A pillar, well, the B pillar, sorry, and this part right here. So all these matte rubber-like textures on the side of the doors, we're gonna go ahead and convert it to gloss black, as you can see from here. It's from a company called Rvinyl, and here it is. This is how it comes packaged. All right, how are we gonna do this? We are going to, well, here it is, R Wraps. So this is their own custom brand. I was a little bit disappointed. I thought it was going to be 3M. I thought about going all 3M with this, but the amount of material needed to go ahead and cover the length of this is a lot more than this kit right here. So with the pre-cut, I figured I'll save a bunch of time. So here goes. Let's see how this will last long term. I don't think this is UV coat. I don't think this is anything. I don't think it has air release. So I'm hoping for a straight install, a straightforward install, but we'll see. All right, guys, so here it is. It's overcast right now, so you kind of get a better view. Here is a stock plastic matte finish for the pillars, for the B pillar. And here is the Rvinyl one. Fit and finish is pretty good so far. A little bit too long here, maybe because I stretched that out a little bit, so I had to tuck it under. But here's a quick difference between the stock matte and the gloss. I'm pretty much content with this product so far. I don't know how it's going to hold up long term, but very little air bubbles, a little bit of orange peely. It's not going to be, I think 3M would have been much better. So here it is. All right, so what do you guys think? It's all applied. The Rvinyl pillar, door pillar overlay kit. This is in gloss black. They have, I think, carbon fiber material and everything, but I went for the gloss black to match with the rest of the black trim. However, well, first of all, it took longer than I thought. I think a lot of it had to do with this part right here, with the excess material that I had to go ahead and use my alpha knife to kind of cut around. But overall, I mean, it's good. It's a little bit of excess material under here too, so you have to kind of tuck it in or use the alpha knife to go ahead and cut it. I do have a little bit of excess right here that they pre-cut for us as well. I'm not gonna do that as of now because you can hardly see it. But overall, I think it gives it a more of a premium look from the high gloss black tint to the black accents. This one kind of finishes off the look right here without having the matte door pillars, kind of ruining the, or kind of separating everything. It looks good. Is it worth your time? I think if you have a free afternoon, yes. I think if you have a lot of excess material, that's 3M. Then you could go ahead and try that, because I think the 3M material might be a little bit more smooth, a lot more smooth, less orange peel effect. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a few layers of wax in here to I guess, for it to be more hydrophobic. But overall, here it is. I'll give you guys a walk around. All right, guys, so here it is, a walk around, an actual up close and personal right here. You have your black tints here, 35%, and then continue on to pillars where it used to be matte. You could see kind of my reflection here. But if you look at an angle, not even at an angle, directly you see like kind of orange peely. This is the in-house brand vinyl. So again, if you guys have experience with cutting and vinyl wrapping, you could buy yourself a bigger piece of 3M, right? And kind of just stick it on here and then kind of cut it off like that. And it might even be quicker than kind of aligning it on the spot. And then I figured having it pre-cut will be good for me because it's gonna save some time. And also the material that I had to buy, it costs even more than this pre-cut kit, right? But here it is, a little bit of bubbling here, as you can see, but I kind of, if I could push it out, yes, I could push it out later. But overall, I don't think this is UV protected, all right? So I'm not sure how long this is gonna last, but I think it's gonna protect the matte black from kind of bubbling, from what I've seen on the actual forums long term throughout the Toyota lineup. But next we have kind of like a thing coming from AliExpress to make this gloss black as well, to match the front with these kind of like fins right here. Gloss black mirror caps right here. So overall, it kind of finishes off the look, makes it more premium, right? And overall, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care.